All right, so I'm getting ready to switch out the BCM, and I just want to make sure, like, that guy up top, I don't know where that goes. It's plugged into something like a hole up here, and it's in place, and there's no plug for it. Also, there's another one down here. Nothing's plugged into that. I don't know what they do. I don't know what they're for. I've also got something going on over here. I don't know if it's for the radio or not, but I've got a no crank, no start, no security light issue, and I'm about to replace the BCM and see if that helps. I mean, I've checked most of these fuses here. This guy here, which I think is 37. I think that guy was getting warm. Let me double check. Yeah, it's 37, and that guy was getting warm. And 37 is monitored LD, and I don't know what that is. So hopefully this works out. If you guys can think of anything, please let me know.